I think one of the challenges we think our customers facing right now, and that they're communicating to us on a routine basis these days, is the fact that the threats, especially drone threats, are evolving much more rapidly than the acquisition community can keep up. And it's not from a technology standpoint. We have the sensors, we have the effectors, we have the processing. All those pieces of the puzzle exist. It's putting them together, it's gluing them together, making everything talk. That's one of the real challenges in going faster. I think it's really two things, the feedback that we're getting from our customer community. One is the fact that the drone threat, the unmanned systems threat, is evolving more rapidly than we can keep up with it with a counter. That's what we're seeing anyway today. The other thing is, in the field, we're seeing that static systems that aren't movable, aren't mobile, tend to be more vulnerable than those that are mobile. Our focus is on the integration of mobile Counter-UAS capabilities that provide an element of survivability, provide an element of scale, but also from the standpoint of doing it faster so that we're staying inside that threat evolution loop. What we provide is that integration capability. We will take those sensors, effectors, the entire kill chain, and we integrate them into a workable system, a trainable system, a sustainable system, so that the customer sees us as a one-stop shop. We've done it in the past. We invest ahead of those requirements, do it at a time in a way that the customer sees it as compelling and impactful and rapid. The end state being a system that deploys faster, that is integrated totally, and is easy to train, easy to sustain. Other than the radar sensors and electro-optic sensors that you've heard about typically, Leonardo DRS acts as an integrator. And in that integration role, we've been the Army's primary provider of mission packages, Counter-UAS mission packages, the complete integrated suite for both of the mobile programs of record in the Army today. The Short-Range Air Defense program, the Mobile Short-Range Air Defense, the Sergeant Stout, is an integrated capability that DRS provides. The MLIDS program, the Mobile Low, Slow, Small Integrated Counter-UAS Defeat System, that is also a program that DRS primes and brings a similar level of Counter-UAS defeat capability, detect and defeat capability, and those are both the Army's programs of record today for mobile Counter-UAS capability. So we bring the pedigree, we bring the bona fides of past performance, and we're doing that on other platforms with other systems, other components today. One of the linchpins of that edge capability is the idea that you need a processing system, an operating system on the platform that's able to take and fuse all those inputs for both effectors and sensors and data coming in as well as data that resides on the platform. All those have to be fused, all those have to process in very rapid fashion to enable the kinds of very rapid engagements that we have with the threats that we're dealing with today. That has to happen fast, but it has to happen in a low power, low cooling, extremely rugged environment. And that's what we bring to the table with what we call SageCore. That is the underlying system on the platform that enables that self-sufficiency that we just talked about. So I mentioned the importance of actually integrating all the components into a workable system, a trainable system, a sustainable system. The customer needs someone that can take all those pieces that customer is interested in, that new sensor, that new gun, that new missile. So we've launched an initiative called COBRA, Counter-UAS on-demand, build, retrofit, assemble. Call it a rapid integration service. We're willing to, even ahead of contracts if we have to, work with the customer that has the product, has the needs, has the draw from the field that says, I need this capability, but I can't put it all together. We can do that for them. We have the talent, we have the facilities, we have the resources that can make that happen in weeks, not months and years.